Hey, what's up? It's Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. If you are here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at jeptioni.com to learn more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your WordPress memory limit and fix the 500 internal server error. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. If you are watching this video, it means that you are experiencing slow speeds while loading your WordPress website login page, wp-admin. In most of the cases, you'll see this 500 internal server error. Please contact your admin. To fix this, you'll be required to increase your WordPress memory limit. First, log into your WordPress hosting cPanel. Go to Files and select File Manager. On the new screen, select public_HTML. Locate the file name wp-config.php. Click to select. Click Edit on top menu here. On the screen that pops up, select Edit. Locate this code below. That's all. Stop editing. Happy publishing. Skip one line on top and insert the following code. Define bracket wp_memory_limit, 256M and close the bracket. When done, click on Save Changes. Go back and try logging into your website. The error should be fixed at this point, and that is it from me here. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at jeptioni.com to learn more. And until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Jeptioni. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.